We are moving to New York in less than a week and we still don't know where we're gonna live. I know that that sounds kind of crazy, but the original sublet that we did have fell through for January and now has to start February 1st. So we need to find a place that we can stay for about 3 weeks, but the flights are booked. So I have faith that something will come along in less than 7 days.
If you're new to the channel, hi, I'm Krista, and I am no stranger to packing up my entire life. Normally, I pack this much for a cruise ship contract, but I can't believe this time it's for New York City. Our current plan is to be in New York from about January to April because that is the bulk of audition season. And if you're not a performer and have no idea what I'm talking about, audition season is when theaters from all around the country come to New York to audition for their shows. Rather than performers flying to all different states to audition, the theaters come to New York City. Obviously, Broadway auditions are there, but there are also auditions for regional theaters, cruise lines, really anything you can think of.
I need to make sure I have all of my dance stuff, all of the stuff that I would wear to like a singing audition, all of my shoes, just any audition, dance, performing stuff. I need to make sure I'm good there. And I think that that's like the main stuff that I need to do. We have lived in New York City before. Before the pandemic, we were there for about a year. And then we've gone back a couple times, usually just for like a couple months at a time. And this time for me feels a little bit different. I feel like the last times that I've gone, I haven't been super into auditioning. Yeah, that's all I'll say. I just like did not take it super seriously. And this year I plan to take it very seriously, go to as many auditions as I can, but also not put like a ton of pressure on it and just be like, we're going, gonna audition for this, that, and everything else. If something happens, great. If not, I'll figure it out. I think a lot of people put so much pressure on auditions and like you get a million no's before you get one yes, and I'm going into it with that mindset of like, I'm gonna be told no a lot and hopefully I get a yes at some point. But if it's not meant to be, it's not, and I'm just gonna go with the flow, enjoy New York City for a few months, and that's it. That was a lot of rambling. I'm gonna keep making my piles and see what we can get done. Good morning. It is the day that I'm getting my headshots done, and I don't know if you can tell, but my voice, I'm starting to lose it. I don't know if I'm getting sick. I really hope not, because we leave in a couple of days and I have an audition like the day after we get there and I need to sing for it. So trying not to stress out about that. Doing headshots today and I need to decide what to wear. I'm gonna bring a couple options. I thought that this sweater was cute, but I don't know what the vibe is with like an off the shoulder. I don't know if that's gonna read very well. So I'm gonna wear this to start and then have him tell me what he thinks. I have this kind of, it's an athletic kind of a top. It's a square cut, I guess. I thought that was cute, a white top. I have another white one that has ruching in the middle. I decided to bring a pink top because pink is my favorite color, and if I wanted to pop a color, I thought maybe pink. I have like a brown tank top, very simple. Then I have this like V-neck top. Has like a little bow. It's like a cream color. And then last thing I have is this black. The long sleeve, the sleeves are kind of puffy, but it's also like a square neck. I spent the morning learning a dance combo that I need to know for an audition that I'm going to when we get to the city. And all I want to do is sleep, honestly. But we're gonna get these headshots done, come back. I'm gonna try to just finish up packing. I'm feeling pretty good about it, actually. I don't think I'm gonna be like stuffing things into bags, but who knows. And then I just kind of want to rest tonight, drink lots of tea, sleep. Hopefully wake up revived tomorrow. You might be wondering where I am. It looks like I'm in a dungeon. I'm actually just in my basement and this lighting is probably horrendous, but I just got home, finished my headshots. I cannot wait to get them back. I'm so excited. And then we went out to dinner and it was a nice little afternoon, evening. And now I have to learn a dance combo for the audition that I have on, it's actually on the 14th. And it is for Wizard of Oz on Royal Caribbean. Yes, I'm auditioning for a ship. I would love to do like a book musical. So like Hairspray, Mamma Mia, Wizard of Oz, any of those types of shows on a ship. That is something that I would really love to do. So yeah, I have an appointment on the 14th and I need to prepare 2 dance combinations, like combos that they told me to learn. Like, I don't prepare my own, if that makes sense. Like, I don't choreograph my own. I learn 2 combinations, and I have to have a song ready, and I'm gonna be singing like a musical theater song.
I also wanted to say really quick, a lot of times you don't need to re-audition for ships if you're just doing their production shows. But since this is a book musical, you usually have to do either an in-person audition or like a separate self-tape video submission for it. But usually it has to be in person. And so that's why I'm re-auditioning. Yeah, just wanted to say that. Good morning. It's been a few days since I vlogged because I have been sick, if you can't tell by the sound of my voice, which is really inconvenient before traveling and going to do auditions. But I can't really rest today because we leave tomorrow. So I feel okay. I just like don't really have a voice. My chest is tight and I have a kind of painful cough. Ah! Yay. I love that for me. I don't know what else to say. We're moving to New York tomorrow. Like, I don't feel ready, but I have to be ready. We're moving to New York today. This is under 50 pounds, but it is filled to the brim. I realized that I never really gave you guys an update on our living situation. We did find a place for 3 weeks, so that's exciting. It's good. It's not ideal because it's a little bit expensive, but that's what we get for a very last minute. Well, it actually wasn't last minute. We did have a plan and then it fell through, so whatever. It's gonna work out. It's gonna be great. We have a place to sleep, which is all we need. So it doesn't really feel real, like I'm moving. And I know that it's probably only for like 4 or 5 months, but I don't know what the plan is after that. Like, I don't think I'm gonna come back to Colorado necessarily. Like, I don't know what's in store. So it's a very much of a new start and I'm really excited. I'm nervous, but we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna finish up a couple last minute things and then we'll head to the airport. We're moving to New York today. That's crazy. Car is stuffed to the brim. We made it. We were running late this morning, but we figured it out and we got here.
Yeah, we're here. Still waiting.
Yeah.
13 minutes till morning.
Some Starbucks, some coffee. No, some what's it called?
Dazbog.
McDonald's and some Dazbog coffee. Ready for a flight. How you feeling?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Just gotta get there.
We're at the very back of the plane and Robert barely fits in the seat. One day we'll fly first class all the time. Yeah. Until that day comes, we are by the bathrooms. So further notice. Hello from New York. I'm fully in my cheetah pajamas, my hair is up, I'm drinking a tea, and we're watching the Great British Baking Show. And it's been a long day, tired, definitely ready for some rest. But got in, we went to Trader Joe's, got a few groceries, got some dinner at Just Salad, which was yummy. I have missed Just Salad. We don't have those in Colorado. So we're super excited to be here, excited for this, you know, new chapter, and excited to share it with you guys. I plan to share the audition process, everything that happens with that, but also just like New York stuff. So if there's anything specific you want to see, let me know. I am ready for bed, and yeah.
And yeah.
So I will see you.
So apparently.
All right, we're getting I was about to say delusional. Oh, that's right.
Delirious.
Delirious. We're getting delirious, so we're gonna go to bed.
No, you're getting delirious.
And I will see you in the next one.